exciting in version 20, not only is the posture screen direct import from an iPad exciting, but we can also add all four views from the advanced analysis posture screen to the posture array. The reason why you'd want to do this is obviously for reports of findings and also for commenting for clinical necessity for that patient. So let's go ahead and do a search. So for this person, Mr. Terrible Spine Backbone, um, what you'll see is, notice that we have an AP, P to A, right lateral and left lateral. So you can see that we can add in all of these x-ray views, the posture views. The cool thing about this is this. So just like in the x-ray, we can comment on this for our reporting in medical necessity, or shall I say chiropractic necessity. So in the comments tab here, I may want to explain to the patient in terms they understand, because remember, this will now go into their posture array report of findings packet, right? So you can still make macros here, which is fantastic, right? The other thing that you can do is you can add impressions. So in the impression reports, we can show the posture as well too, and clinical correlation made there. So that's really, really handy. And then here's the another thing that would be a great tool and asset. So once it's in there, we can now go in and we can now be able to um, jump into the report of findings. So for example, let me show you this. ViewBox, we're going to go into that case. Let me just go ahead and pull this in. If I just click on it, notice it's going to pull in all four views, and now they're labeled individually. So if I go into the view, notice we can go ahead and show the anterior and posterior views and right lateral views, then it jumps into the x-rays. But what I had was a request to go ahead and be able to do this. If we could go ahead and be able to do this, if we go in and I want to individually pull in an x-ray. So if I go into the the A to P photograph, and I want to show the AP cervical posture, I can now show those side by side. Now how cool is that? Another addition for the x-ray is that at the top here we put the date as well as the overlay. So if we're exporting the x-rays, that information will be there as well too. So the nice handy tool obviously is that we can still draw on the x-ray, draw on the report. So I can go ahead and show that their head is shifted and their head is shifted to the same side. Okay, so good impact on the report of findings. That's all available in the new Posture Array version 20. For more information, just go ahead and email us. Thanks.